Hello and welcome to Cup of Joe. I am Joe Howard, Executive Editor here at Transport Topics, and I'm joined by our features team, Features Editor Michael Fries and Managing Editor for Features Seth Clevenger. And we're here to talk equipment, and there is no shortage of topics to talk about when it comes to equipment. A lot going on in terms of power, in terms of electric, in terms of fuel cell. And that's where we'll start today. But one of the things that I thought would be fun to introduce is we talk so much about this, and we often wonder how much is real, how much is type. And we luckily, the research firm Gartner has the Gartner hype cycle for emerging technologies. And I thought it might be about where we think electric and fuel cell are on this list. So I'll refer to the list in terms of um, the five categories. Innovation trigger, which I guess would mean when something is first introduced. Wow, look at this! Isn't this new and exciting? The peak of inflated expectations, which every new technology goes through that as well. The trough of disillusionment, when you start to realize, gee, maybe this isn't all that wonderful. The slope of enlightenment, when you start to realize maybe there's something here. And then the plateau of productivity. And productivity is a big word in the trucking industry. That's what every motor carrier is looking for. So I put it to you, gentlemen, where we think we are on this. I personally would say slope of enlightenment. I think we're at a point where we can see applications for electric trucks. We can see applications for fuel cell where it makes and business sense. And I think that gets back to productivity, where it makes business sense for this industry and for operators in this industry to embrace some of this technology.